last night I realized I had come such a far way from my first love with God. Like I realized I was worshiping, have been worshiping like false gods and stuff, um, and just like not being like repentant, not being like just literally being lost. Living like I'm lost, and I've been really thinking about orthodoxy and kind of studying it a little bit, watching videos on it, and um, I just know like if you're going through something, I just know like the devil wants us to despair. Um, he wants us to get discouraged, even though we might be far away from him right now, or it seems like that. He's close to us, but maybe our hearts are far from him. Maybe your heart is far from him, but it's like um, I don't know. I just don't want to get discouraged because I know where that leads. I know where despair leads. Like I've attempted to end my own life. Like I know that's not the way to go. But and I'm just being real. Trust me, I'm fine. Like, but also like I don't really have anybody in my life um, these days. Like I tried to call like three people, and nobody answered, and it's just like nobody even called me back, and I'm like, I literally, and I'm not, I'm trying, please don't think I'm like complaining here. It's taught me so much to just like lean on God in those times, but man, I just feel like I've just skewed, like fallen from my first love, from my first love in Jesus, and it's just fallen far from that. And yeah, it just, you wake up one day and you're like, bro, I've literally been doing this for 2 years, not like worshiping false gods. Um, but that's just me being honest. I mean, in some ways, I'm closer to God though, because I'm more still. It says, be still and know that He is God, right? So, in certain ways, I am closer to God, but not in every way I'm like distant from God, but it's just like, it hurts your heart. It's just like, dang, I've really wandered, but um, I know the way to get back there, to a point where I'm like repentant, but um, um, it's just a lot of people I was looking in the Bible like started their journey at 30 with God, and obviously I'm not saying I'm gonna wait till I'm 30 and then do this, but it's just like I don't know, guys. Um, you know how repentance is. It's really just God has to do the work in your heart. Um, I don't feel like I feel like it's His kindness that leads us to repentance. It literally says that in the Bible, so gotta remember that. But anyways, hopefully you guys are doing fine. I just wanted to hop on here and give you an update. I guess I don't know. I was inspired by GT Bach. I'm gonna probably tag him, but I was just watching his videos and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make a YouTube video. So I did. God bless.